Let's move to the next thing. We want to talk about the materials needed. What are the materials that we need when we want to produce our tie and dye? What are those things we need? Number one on the list is our fabric. Don't forget, I've told us that we need 100% cotton. Number one, that's number one. 100% cotton materials is what we need. So that 100% cotton material is not compulsory. It's white. It can be colored, any color. Let it just be 100% cotton. This is a shirt. This is a shirt. This is t-shirt, round neck. It can be. Then it can be yards clothes, as in 2 yards, 5 yards, guinea in yardage. You can use that. So that is number one. 100% cotton fabric or clothes. That is number one. Number two is our rope. This rope is very, very important. This is what we use to tie the clothes. If you do not use this rope, we use this rubber band. Normal rubber band that we normally use is what we can as well use. You can use rubber band. That's number two. Number three is our scissors. Scissors to cut our rope and to cut clothes if the need be. Maybe you are the one that cut your clothes into sizes you want. Maybe 2 yards, you want 1.5 yards, you want 5 yards. When you buy it from the market, you can come home and cut it by yourself. And when you are tying, you need scissors to cut your rope into smaller sizes. Then we need rubber hand glove. Rubber hand glove is what we use to protect our hands against chemical reaction, so that the chemicals that we are using will not heat up our hands. So we need a rubber hand glove. Both hands, both left and right hand is what we need, just to protect our hands. So we need that. We need the measuring spoon, any size of you want. You need measuring spoon. We can use this all this plastic spoon too, all this eat and throw take away spoon, plastics, that small one. We use it as well for this to measure our chemicals and that. Now we have two chemicals majorly. We have two major chemicals that we use, and that is hydrosulfite. This one is hydrosulfite. This hydrosulfite looks like salt. It looks like salt. It smells. If it doesn't smell, it doesn't work. It must give odor. If this one is not smelling, then it's not potent. But if it is smelling, then you are very sure that it will work for you very well. So that is a hydrosulfite. The purpose of this hydrosulfite is to allow your dye to stick to the fabric. If this one is not available and you pour dye with other chemical, it's not going to work, because the two work together. The second one is caustic soda. This is it. You see that the two look like they are of the same color, white, but this one, it look like sugar. This one look like sugar. It is called caustic soda. It is poisonous. So I want to encourage you, mommies, when you are using it, don't place it where my children can just pick it, or anybody can just pick it from home and think it is sugar. Maybe to drink tea, or to drink gari, or to soak gari, or to drink pap. So you don't keep it where anybody can pick it, because it looks exactly like sugar and it doesn't smell. It doesn't smell, but it's very, very poisonous. You know, when I don't know, maybe we have done a soap, liquid soap making, they use it for it. It's called caustic soda. Without the two chemicals that I just mentioned now, our dye is useless. If these two are not available, we cannot use dye. If one of these is available and the other one is not available, we cannot use our dye. The two must be available with our dye, so that our dye will be able to, our work will be able to come out fine and beautiful. It is the work of the two is to allow our dye to stick to the fabric. Caustic soda remove unwanted particles on your clothes, and most especially if you are working on colored fabric, This caustic soda will help you to bleach the color, the original color of that fabric. It will help you to bleach it, and once it bleaches it, the new dye the new color you are applying will be there. The bleaching color will come out, and the original color will still be showing faintly. That means you can have more than 2-3 colors on your clothes. But if you are using it, just be sure that it removes unwanted particles, and hydrosulfide, like I said, allow your dye to stick to your fabric. That is the two chemicals that we use, hydrosulfide and caustic soda. I'll put it on the list. Next one is our dye. We have dye of different colors. Different colors of dye is what we have. We have green, and green are in different tones, as you all know. We have stone green. Stone green is like Nigerian green, but a bit deep. Like Nigerian green, that is how stone green looks like. We have stone green, we have army green, we have turquoise green, we have lemon green. All those green, you can mix it by yourself. But actually, the real green that is available at the market is stone green. This stone green, when you have it, you can use it to get any other color, any other tone of green that you want. You can use it to get it. If you pick this stone green, you can add little royal blue with it to mix with it. It will give you turquoise green. If you want lemon green, you pick this green and you add yellow. It will give you lemon green. Depends on how light or deep you want it to be. That is what you do on this. So we shall have different tones of green. We have green, we have red, we have orange, we have pink, we have black. Our black is also in two. We have stone black, we have powder black. Stone black is the one that is shiny. Powder black is those black that look like ash color, deep ash color. That is a powder green. But stone black is the one that those black that used to shine. That is that about black. Then we come to royal blue. We have different tones of blue too. This is royal blue. We have royal blue. We have navy blue. Look at the two. There are different between the two. This is navy blue. This is royal blue. If you want to use it, you want it deeper, you can put black on this navy blue to make it more deeper for this navy blue. But for your royal blue, you cannot make your royal blue deep. You can only make it lighter. Maybe you need sky blue. If you pick small quantity of royal blue, you pour plenty water, it will lighten it. It's as if you just want to make it watery or light. So when you pick little quantity of royal blue, you drop plenty water, it will lighten it, and then it looks like a sky blue. Yellow, we have yellow. I think I said we have pink the other time. That on yellow too, we have another yellow that we call golden yellow. That golden yellow, okay, let me explain this better. Golden yellow is the one that look like this custard plastic. That custard, the container, custard plastic, that is golden yellow. That is golden yellow. So that's our golden yellow. But the real yellow is like this my small tree. This is how the real yellow look like. This is not a custard there. This is not golden yellow. This is golden yellow. This is golden yellow color. So we have different tones of yellow. You can see the difference between the two. This is golden yellow. This is ordinary yellow. So we have the dye for these two color of yellow. We have lemon green. I told us we should mix it together by ourselves. We have army green. We have purple. We have purple. We have brown. Different tones of brown too is available in the market. You can buy golden yellow, golden brown. You can buy deep brown. You can buy red brown. That red brown look like wine. but it's not really wine. It's not really wine. If you want it to come out as in wine or burgundy, you have to mix it by yourself. You mix colors together to make it to come out. How do you make it if you want it to look like a wine? When you pick your brown, you add yellow. I mean, you have red. You add red to it. When you add red to it, you can drop a little purple with it. When you mix it together, it will give you red brown that you want. Very fine and okay. And I want to encourage that even if you are good at mixing color, it's good that you mix your colors together. Don't use your color raw. Most of the time I mix colors together so that I will have unique colors. So it's good if you can mix colors together so that you can have a unique one. Well, okay, now you need rod. It's another material that we need. I'm done with dye. We need rod. Why do we need this rod? Is when you are preparing your dye solution, after you have poured all the chemicals together and you pour hot water, this rod is what you use to stir it. So you need a rod. You can use maybe a stainless stick that you have been using at home that you don't like again. Maybe you want to replace your stunning stick in the kitchen. Mommies, you can take any of those ones as rod just to stir the chemicals together when you are preparing your dye solution. That's what you need. You need bowl. What do we need bowl for? This is where we prepare our dye solution. We pour it, everything. We prepare it inside this bowl. Big one, small one, depends on what you need. We need bucket. We need baler. This small bowl, just to carry water. Then you need this plastic kettle. When we get there, when I'm using it, you will understand what this is meant for. But we need this one as well. We need it. And we need nylon. We need nylon where we can pleat our work. It is on the nylon. Or if you have any flat and smooth surface where you can easily pleat your work, or to fold your work, or to tie your work, you just need a flat surface where you can work. I think that is all the materials needed. Then we need a kettle to heat water. Maybe electric kettle or gas or charcoal pot or anything, just to heat water, to boil our water, because we need hot water. We need water, very, very plenty. We need water. Then we need a pot or kettle where we can boil our water to prepare our dye solution. That's all the materials we need for dye. Thank you.